All right, folks, welcome back. Got my helper here, Alyssa, helping me with my mirrors today. This may or may not show up on camera, I don't know, but I am using my car cleaning equipment to clean our mirrors in the bathroom. My wife, she swears by it. She thinks I do the best job. That's like the cleanest mirrors she's ever seen, or then again, she just may hate doing mirrors. But what I did today, instead of really breaking it down or trying to do it in front of you folks, what I did is I made a halfway point in the mirror here, which is here, to show you guys the difference. I've done this half already, and there's no smudges, no anything in the mirror, and I'll show you folks what I use in a second. But on this half, I don't know if you can see it. Actually, yeah, you can see it. You can see the smudges in the film on the mirror. I mean, it's like a haze, almost, and same thing with your cars when you're outside, all the plastics and stuff with the heat evaporating, you get that smudge. Then over here, it's just, matter of fact, you can see the line, the demarcation line there, where it goes crystal clear. And I'll show you folks real quick what I do, how I do this. And of course, I use my car cleaning stuff here. I use my isopropyl alcohol diluted. I don't even remember what the dilution is on this right now, but usually I do about 50-50. I saturate this window down or mirror down with it, and then I'll take my microfiber and buff it out. And and then with this one here, I did it twice. I wiped it down twice. Then I take me some, this here's my Wolfgang here. And I got it, you see, I got my mixture rubbed out. It's 10-to-1. And once I do that, I'll take it and I'll buff that out, rub it in really good, and then I'll get a dry towel or whatever. You know, you can use another microfiber. And then once it kind of dries to a haze to a point, just buff it out. And it works really good, guys and girls. Streak free, leaves some kind of protection on there. Touch it. I'm sure if I had greasy hands, real greasy hands, it would show up something. But of course, you go over here, see the streaks and stuff from it there. So that's just some tips. Your car care chemicals don't necessarily have to be just car care stuff. So, all right, folks, if you would like and subscribe to the channel, I appreciate it. Any questions or comments, let me know. And actually, you can see a little bit of my fingerprints there on this angle here. But just hit me up in the comments, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you folks later. All right, folks, just real quick, this is the final product here. This is as clean as it comes. Sparkle. That's what she said. All right, that's it. Well, just how I knocked that thing out, and I just do this probably about once every week or 2, 3, I don't know, depends, just whatever my wife yells at me. Hey, mirror needs to be done again. All right, folks, later.